Hello. So today let's try some coding. And for that, anyway, what we gotta do is I want to show that I'm streaming, but at the same time, I need to consider my privacy settings. Wonder what can I show. So there's like a new thing, an exclamation mark for the views in Twitch. What do you say? Stream manager, and it's saying like zero views, right? And it's also saying it's going away on April 14, 2022. What? 2022? Uh, what? What am I even saying? Am I in the right year? Learn more here. Let's see. Well, actually, I can show this. Is that too bright? Oh, sorry. The be right back screen. That's over there. I think like this is too bright. So I was just checking, like, we are removing the your channel views from on April 14, 2022. So I'm still getting these views. Maybe that's why it was being showing. I don't remember if it was there before. Cool, cool. Maybe I need to hide the okay, what else? Get a clean slate first. Okay, now let's go to Twitch. Um, a moment. So I'm trying to make my browser specifically for streaming. So changing some settings. Hope you don't mind. So the thing is, I am using Edge right now, and the thing is, like, I'm using Edge mainly because, like, I have web GPU support in Edge. I don't know if Chrome has it. Like, I don't know when it was when I checked before. Yeah, it was in number 25. WebGPU is now supported in major browsers. Big news for web developers and users. WebGPU, so this is on 25th November. Complex 3D modeling and AI, WebGPU, Windows, Android, Linux, Firefox. So I don't know, like when I last used GPU, a growing ecosystem. You don't have to start from scratch to use WebGPU. The libraries you love already support WebGPU. Babylon JS, Player, Canvas. On next runtime, I don't know what that is, but let me just check. Transformers JS. That is a new thing. And type GPU and Unity. So let's see what Transformer JS is. Transformer JS Web3. What is Transformer JS? So this is like a blog or something? Yeah. What is happening? So don't mind me. I have to refresh every time. The server transformer JS is designed to be functional equivalent to Hugging-based transformers Python library. So this is like a new one, and it's already on 3.81. It's designed to be functionally equivalent to. Okay, okay, okay. It's like where GPUs are necessary for AI computations. Uh, am I audible? Did you say hello? Okay, I am audible. Audible. Transformers use Onyx runtime to run models in the browser. So yeah, okay, okay. That is the other thing I opened, right? The GPU are used by Onyx runtime, and there is a new web standard for general purpose GPU computing. GPU computing graph is designed to be low-level API based on D3, D12, Vulkan, and Metal, and designed to be used in the browser. It is designed to be more efficient and performant than WebGL, and is designed to be used for machine learning, graphics, and other compute tasks. Instead of the box and the latest version of Chrome, it's check the GPU status. If you're using Onyx runtime for one very Intel uh, inferencing very lightweight models in your web application, and you want to have a small binary size, you can give the default of SMA execution provider. If you want to run more compute intensive models, you want to take advantage of the GPU in the client's device, you can use the web GPU execution provider. I don't get it. Okay, anyway, how to use web GPU EP in Onyx runtime web. This section assumes you already have set up web application, use the Onyx runtime web. If you haven't, you can follow the guest data for some basic info. To use web GPU EP, you just need to make two small changes. Web GPU EP. So, what does Onyx runtime do? So, Onyx runtime, I'm looking at the web GPU side. Let me just go back to Onyx runtime, accelerator edge, GPU machine learning. It's a Python library, I guess. Generate language in your apps and services. No matter what language you develop in, what platform you run on, you can say that image synthesis, text generation, and more. So you have you are able to access your GPU on the web. In order to access a GPU on the web, like what function are you running? Let's see. String. Load the model. Okay. A model is from your system itself, from a server and session. Okay. Huh. Either from the server or the client, right? 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 I'm not sure if I can use the client, but web GPU, with the ability of web GPU, I think you can be able to use client and server at the same time. Probably, like I'm not going to look too much on it. This is not the one we are trying to get into. So this looks like a server function. This looks like a server, and Java, C++, like it looks like server side. On-device training, let developers take an amount locally. Uh, let's on-device training with Onyx runtime. Let's developer take an inference model, train it locally to deliver to deliver a personalized and privacy respecting experience for customers. The server has the model, and with WebGPU, you are able to access your system resources. Probably like that. That's cool. That's cool. That's nice. That's nice. Loving it. Maybe like anyway, that's kind of cool thing. Like you can access, you can just do it something on if you sign in on some other device and you have the device on your secondary device or something like a laptop or desktop or something, and you sign into some web app, you can be able to control access using AI, retrieve files, make changes. That's so fucking cool. AIs, AIs, and web GPU, but it uses web GPU. I'm not sure if it's safe or something. Implement it. Developers are highly recommend to test regularly again. I'm looking at the web GPU. So I just WebGL Forest was WebGPU Forest. Like a forest, you can calculate, you can benchmark a forest. So a forest is for benchmarking. Forest is for benchmarking. What is this? WebGPU. Oh my god. What did I do? I forgot. Like I have to WebGPU 0. Getting ground. Security update. Classic domain SQL revoke. Granite as an amendment to description. Classic tokens have been revoked. Granular tokens. What is a granular token? So I haven't started what I want to try to work on. I'm just exploring. The GPU has taken me on to another. And Nano tokens are specialized access tokens provide enhanced security by allowing users to define specific and granular tokens are specialized. Is that what they call refresh tokens? Oh, so these are the things that came with the AI, I guess, because you need some kind of control over AI usage, right? So I think like granular tokens are for AIs and things like that to have some permission. Oh my god, it's a bit. So another thing is like Onyx.js kind of like state of machine learning for the web. Run transformers directly in your browser with no need for a server. See, I told you like Onyx. I'm not sure. You don't need a server. Okay. Second phase transformers Python library. Meaning you can run the same data using very similar API. This one is about that. So you have a model that uses your GPU to give you what you prompted for. Again, as a retain by exponents on it using optimal. Doodle Dash. Real time sketch recognition game. Blog. You have a blog code demo. A demo, a game demo on Hugging Face. So, uh, this is probably using my own GPU. Don't I get a notification or something? That is kind of like how I need to know like when are you using my GPU? Like mostly like the crypto mining things and like that they don't mention it. So state of the web. Welcome to the State of the Web 2025, and it's almost 2026. Within like 20 days or something. State of the Web. Cloning element. Uh, Open source AI game jam. Join the game jam. It was in 23. Okay. Wait, am I blocking the screen or something? Let me just move over there. Let me just write something. So, you use a voice actor model such as Kokui or Bark to generate the voices. We got AI models to replace voice actors. Sip, sip. Anyway, action game. You give orders. An automatic speech recognition AI transcript to text. You use a sentence similarity model that selects which robot action is the most appropriate. You know, I was thinking about like making like a Twitch API, right? Like using the Twitch API extension. I don't know what the Twitch has right now. Anyway, AI could be nice. You give orders and automatic speech recognition AI transcripts to text. You use a sentence similarity model that selects which robot action is the most appropriate. So if I can if I am able to use like an AI on Twitch, like do people do that? Like there's like a Twitch API something like that, and like a bot extension overlay. Anyway, those being connected to some model, AI model, but at the same time, like how do I get the like? Does all the interactions are handled by Twitch? Like, can Twitch make available of a new interaction, like say a voice from the chat? Say voice chat can talk. It's not right, right? Then how is this happening? You give orders and automatic speech recognition AI transcripted text uses sentence similarity model that selects which robot action is the most appropriate. So what I can use is what Twitch provides, and Twitch doesn't provide from the chat speech. So a NPC, a parabalance where the opponent NPC is trained using reinforcement learning as Unity MLA agents. Unity MLA agents, ML agent, ML agents. You know, MLA is like a member of legislative assembly, like for us in the parliament and things like that. So I was like thinking MLA. And we have the doodle dash. This is the one that's over here, and it's still loading the neural network. I'm just gonna close it. Hugging Face API. Can I search for like Twitch chatbot powered by Hugging Face Transport? It connects directly to Twitch, listens for mentions of the bot's name, and responds with AI generated. The bot is designed to be playful, safe, and resilient, with features that make it suitable for live streaming environments. So you call like a bot and provide some text that gets prompted, and it replies back. It, it interacts back. It interacts. It gives you some kind of interaction. It provides you with some kind of interaction. That's cool. That's nice. One moment. Be right back. Be right back. You guys can't see that. I need to load this first. And also this one.